Hi everybody, it's Jeanette Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have some new dollar store finds and DIYs for fall. They're versatile and a lot of fun. You're gonna like this, so let's get started. Last week I found this faux wooden book stack at my dollar store, and I didn't really like the saying on it, so I decided to cover it over with some chalk paint. It took a couple of coats to cover it over, but I literally just did the front and I didn't do anything else, and it matched really well. I like this book stack because my idea was I could use the front of the book stack for fall and the back of the book stack for Halloween. So it's a 2-for-1. I used my Cricut to write farm fresh pumpkins on the front of the book stack. If you don't have a Cricut, you could use stickers or you could paint. Then I flipped the book stack around and I put spells and potions on the back, which I also used my Cricut to make. To the fall side, I added a bit of twine and a yarn pumpkin. And to the Halloween side, I added a bit of twine and an LED light from the dollar store. The next dollar store find I wanted to talk about are these cute glass pumpkins. I really like this one because it came with a gold handle, which I really liked. It's cute as is, but I wanted to give it a bit of a different look. So I grabbed some dollar store paint and I painted the pumpkin black. I found the easiest way to do this was to set it down and do the top part and then do the bottom part so that it kind of met in the middle. And I ended up doing 2 coats, letting it dry fully in between coats. Then, when the pumpkin was fully dry, I grabbed some gold metallic paint from the dollar store and a little round sponge, and I started making gold polka dots all over the black pumpkin. I really like this modern look, and I think it works well for fall, and it will carry me into Halloween too. Seriously, isn't this glam pumpkin so cute? I have mine styled with a dollar store iridescent vase filled with fake wheat, also from the dollar store, and a dollar store frame with a print that I designed. I'll leave the link below for the Hello Pumpkin print. Next up is a cute wreath for the front door using this dollar store bucket and these dollar store sunflowers. I made this version for summer and I decided to reuse it rather than starting from scratch. I just used my Cricut to put "Welcome to our porch" on the front. I inserted some floral foam from the dollar store and then just started cutting individual flowers and sticking them inside. And here's how it turned out. Next up is an idea that literally takes 2 seconds. You take a candle holder from the dollar store or one you already have and attach a window cling. Mine just stuck on, but if you wanted to use a glue stick, you could do that too. This is super easy and super cute. This is also a really versatile idea. For example, here I peel off the pumpkin and I stick on a skull for Halloween. Easy peasy. You can also use the window clings on soap dispensers from the dollar store. You just peel off the sticker that comes on the soap dispenser and attach a window cling. And again, it's easy to make the transition from fall to Halloween. Just peel off the pumpkin and stick on a skull sticker. You can also use the window clings with these little cheap wooden blanks from the dollar store. You can use a glue stick to apply them. I took a couple of leaves. I put one on the bottom corner and one on the top corner with a glue stick. And then I used stickers to spell out the words "Hello Fall." And here's how it looks beside my fall tiered tray. I hope you like these dollar store finds and DIYs for fall. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye.